All right, this is Liberty stock number 50443. It's a 16 by 32 Okamoto model ACC-16.32DX, 3-axis hydraulic surface grinder with the incremental downfeed over the hydraulic over the wheel dresser. Let's do it.
We're good to go here. Front end control, as mentioned. We're not on yet. We're powered up. We're ready to go. We'll take a walk around, fire up the spindle, bring up the oil, and we'll show some things happening here. The front end, spindle area. If I get the right way, there we go. We don't have a wheel on there. We'll run it clean, just for the sake of our video here today. Not much going on this side. You're gonna walk through.
I'll just follow you.
Yeah. Around here. Down low, of course, hydraulic system. Cross-feed servo. And going up above that would be the spindle motor. Hydraulics are all down in the base there. This whole thing is self-contained. It does have the outrigger supports on there. These big ones, the 16 by 32s, have that. So it's all in good shape. Those are the tapes, the dust tapes. Switchgear panel with the electromagnetic chuck plugged in. Running a 208 on this one. And coming around to the front, before we start up, a quick explanation of the controls. We can do, this is table control, that's a part control. Down low here, magnet, electromagnetic chuck, that's on. You need that on to run the spindle. This is table traverse. This is whether you want to feed plunge vertical or on traverse vertical with the spindle. We'll switch those over while we're running. Down here, wrap it up and down on the spindle. And this is incremental down on the spindle for whatever you've got it set at. In this case, we leave everything at 10. This is at 10 tenths on coarse. This is 10 tenths on fine, and just transition, I'm sorry, at 10 tenths or 1,000th, we transition over to fine feed down here, which I've got set at 2 tenths. So I'm just gonna set it up at 10 thousandths. We'll take off 10 thousandths off our imaginary part, go down to 9, transition at 9 to 2 tenths with 1 spark out I've got on here, and maybe we'll play with the pulse generator a little bit, but okay. That's about it. So first off, let's just do spindle. Turn that on, and you can hear that without the oil. That's up and running now, so I keep going the wrong way with this thing. So that's that. It's a new spindle in there. It sounds nice.
Sounds great.
Yep. Yeah, if I remember, I'll run the dresser, but I have to put it in the park position. I have to turn on oil to run the dresser. We'll open up the door again and show that, which is down below. I didn't really cover that yet, but this is the dresser control here. This is table speed control. This is plunge or traverse grind here. Not really plunge, it's constant, continuous traverse grind versus incremental traverse grind. And this is exactly how much incremental you want to use. It's a hydraulic valve, how much you want to dive in on the cross feed. So I'm going to turn off spindle just to turn on oil. Bring oil up, which brings our control ready. And before I do anything, I'll just give the table a direction. I don't know where I'm at on speed. Set the speed right away, which is good. We got everything in real tight on the dogs, just so we can get through a cycle in rapid movement here. In manual, I can work this guy here, incremental, 1,000, 1/10, whatever we want, 100 thousandths. It doesn't matter where we're at, that's that. Rapid is over here for rapid spindle. I'm gonna go up, you'll see the spindle move, but you can watch on the numbers. And of course you can see it over on the spindle. I'm gonna bring it back down now. I don't need to be that high. Get it down a few inches. And we'll leave it right there. That said, for the sake of programming, it's really straightforward. Just reset that. I'm gonna go for 10 thousandths on my part. Let me get into program mode. And let's see if I hit the right one. There we go, 10 thousandths. We've done rapid. Incremental is down here. See, that's just incremental. Whatever I'm calling for here, I do here. So the program again, let's go back to 10 thousandths. I'm set for 10,000ths. I'm calling for a plunge grind here, not traverse grind, so every recip of the table would be right here. It'll go down 1,000. That'll be off to the right side, 1,000 on just one side. That said, if I go into automatic now on this thing, let's see if it starts dropping. I think I get everything set. Yeah, there she goes. She's dropping. Only on one side, see? You can kind of see the table with the camera and watch the numbers. So left side, it drops down 1,000. Oh, I got a 500,000. Yeah, you can just barely see it. It's dropping. Or I can go both sides. I'm just going to switch it over on the fly. And every hit of the table now, you see it dropping down. I'm just coming in on it. So that's a tenth there, 10/10 is there. I'm on course. Let me back up and do traverse grind for a second, reset, and do 10,000ths again. I had 100,000ths is what I had. 10,000ths on traverse, go back into auto, and now we'll pick up the table here, incremental. And this takes a while because we have to go all the way now to the end of the traverse before we drop down our 1,000th. So you can see it moving there. We'll do this just one time, I'll hit on the end, and then I'll put it on continuous. When it reverses, we'll drop down one off the vertical. I'm not there yet. And I can open it up a little bit and do a little bit more, a little bit faster. That's down here. See, now I'm going about half a dial, about a quarter of an inch, really. And as you can see, when we reversed, we went down to 9,000ths on the digital. And now just to speed things along, I'm going to go from incremental to continuous on the cross slide. And it's just going to keep on rolling. And it turns into a speed control, basically, watch. We're just going to get it right there. Now we're just going to do the same thing back and forth, but continuous. And when we hit the end over there, just drop to 8. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. We get to the end, it'll drop to 7. See? That's just going back and forth. And every hit, it's going to drop down 1,000. But on the fly, I'm just going to switch over to spindle again and get off a traverse grind, do plunge grinding. I'm just going to flip over just to move it along here. Every hit, it's going to go down, and at 1,000th, it'll transition to 2/10. Right now, there's 8. Now 2/10 at a time, 6, 4, 2, and then one spark out after this. Table should go back forward twice. I mean, you can't see both, so, and it just parked. That said, let me run it all the way over, and when it parks at the far end, which is the dress position, we can run the dresser once. I know we're just kind of flying through this stuff, but just to give people an idea of what it'll do. Here's forward and back. I don't know where my speed control's set at, but you can see it moving. I'll go all the way forward. I'm moving fast, but and all the way back. It's fast. I can slow it down maybe a little bit here, right there, and I can stop it really, see? Move it real slow and put it back in the home position. Right there. Come out a little bit. I'm just going to leave it sit right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then they have both of them with the spindle on. There's oil and there's spindle together. So, and that'll be it. Shut off oil and spindle all at the same time. E-stop. Yeah, it's just a quick rundown of basic controls on a DX. Runs nice.
Beautiful machine.
Yeah, it is.